In this video, we will show you the most effective and essential exercises to lose chest fat and strengthen it, leaving it strong in 3 weeks. Stay until the end, because exercise number 1 is the most important of all. So go ahead and leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Number 9. Barbell Bench Press. The barbell bench press is the foundation of any chest workout. It's no wonder it's called the king of chest exercises. It not only builds most of the muscle mass in the region, but also improves your overall strength, works the triceps and shoulders, and even provides posture benefits. If you're looking for that chest that fills out a shirt and makes an impression, this exercise should be your priority. To understand why the bench press is so effective, we need to talk about the biomechanics involved. When you're lying on the flat bench and pushing the bar upward, you're activating the pectoralis major, especially the central region. However, the movement also engages auxiliary muscles, such as the anterior deltoids, shoulders, and triceps, creating a combined effort that not only increases muscle mass, but also improves stability and functional strength. Proper execution is essential to get the most out of this exercise and avoid injuries. The bench should be completely flat, and your feet must be firmly on the floor to create a stable base. Hold the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, which allows for an ideal balance of strength and safety. When lowering the bar, the movement should be controlled and smooth until it reaches chest level, not the throat or too low. As you push upward, apply force explosively, but maintain control, focusing on contracting the chest. Common mistakes include using excessive weights, which lead to poor technique and increase the risk of shoulder and elbow injuries. Another frequent mistake is excessively arching the back, which shifts part of the effort to the lower back and reduces the effectiveness of the chest movement. To enhance the benefits further, it's important to vary repetitions and weight over time. A classic approach is to perform 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for hypertrophy, but you can also include heavier sets with 4 to 6 repetitions to build raw strength. Why is the bench press so important for us older men? First, because it strengthens stabilizing muscles and improves posture, helping to counteract the effects of aging, such as rounded shoulders and chest sagging. Moreover, it creates a solid foundation for other chest movements and even full-body exercises, such as deadlifts and incline bench presses. Advanced tip: to intensify chest engagement, try squeezing the bar tightly during the movement. This activates more muscle fibers in the chest and provides an extra stimulus for growth. Number 8. Incline Dumbbell Press. The incline press is the exercise that complements the flat bench press by focusing on the upper chest. This is one of the secrets to a well-shaped and aesthetically balanced chest. The upper chest is often neglected, but developing it creates a fuller and more athletic appearance, especially when wearing t-shirts or shirts. By using dumbbells instead of a barbell, you gain a unique advantage, a greater range of motion. This means you can lower the dumbbells a bit further, which stretches the muscles and stimulates more muscle fibers. Additionally, each arm works independently, correcting muscle imbalances. To perform the incline dumbbell press perfectly, adjust the bench to a 30 to 45-degree angle. Sitting on a bench that's too steep can shift the effort to the shoulders instead of the chest. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, lie back on the bench, and push the weights upward, aligning them with the center of your chest. During the descent, keep your elbows slightly pointed outward and control the movement. As you press up, focus on contracting your chest at the top. Common mistakes include lifting the dumbbells unevenly or using weights you can't control. Since the upper chest is smaller and less developed in many men, starting with lighter weights is a smart strategy. The incline press is especially useful for those looking to combat the appearance of a sagging chest. Over time, strengthening the upper chest helps lift and shape the torso, creating a younger and more athletic look. Advanced tip: at the top of the movement, slightly rotate the dumbbells so that your palms face each other. This increases chest contraction and makes the exercise even more effective. Number 7. Dumbbell fly on a flat bench. If presses are the mass builders, the dumbbell fly is the sculptor. This exercise works the chest in a different way, stretching the muscles and creating the definition that makes the chest look fuller and more contoured. On the flat bench, hold a dumbbell in each hand with your arms extended and a slight bend in your elbows. Start the movement by opening your arms in a wide arc, as if preparing to give a big hug. On the descent, feel the stretch in your chest, but do not let the dumbbells drop below shoulder level to protect your joints. On the way up, bring the dumbbells back to the center, focusing on contracting the chest at the end of the movement. The dumbbell fly is great for improving shoulder flexibility, which is especially important for men over 40 who may be starting to feel joint stiffness. Additionally, it activates muscle fibers that are often not stimulated during pressing exercises, like bench presses. Common mistakes include bending the elbows too much, which turns the movement into something more like a press, or using weights that are too heavy, making control difficult and increasing the risk of injury. The key to success with the dumbbell fly is using a moderate load and prioritizing technique. This exercise is also excellent for creating separation between the chest muscles, giving that line appearance in the middle of the chest that so many men strive for. Number 6. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most underrated exercises for the chest. They are versatile, can be done anywhere, and work the chest comprehensively, while also activating the shoulders, triceps, and core. The key to maximizing the benefits of push-ups is technique. Keep your hands aligned with your shoulders, your body straight like a plank, and lower yourself slowly until your chest almost touches the ground. Push back up in a controlled manner, ensuring that your chest does the primary work. If you're a beginner, start with inclined push-ups, placing your hands on an elevated surface. If you're more experienced, try more advanced variations, such as push-ups with your feet elevated or explosive push-ups. Push-ups are particularly useful for older men because they not only strengthen the chest, but also enhance overall body functionality. By activating the core and stabilizing the shoulders, they help keep the body strong and resilient against injuries. Number 5. Decline bench press. The decline bench press is the least popular exercise on this list, but it's essential for a complete chest. It targets the lower chest, creating defined lines that make all the difference in your overall appearance. On the decline bench, you can use either a barbell or dumbbells. The execution is similar to the flat bench press, but the downward angle shifts the focus of the effort to the lower chest. This position also reduces shoulder strain, making it a great option for those who experience joint discomfort. To improve results, control the movement throughout the execution and avoid arching your back. This exercise is excellent for men who want to reduce the appearance of fat in the chest area, as it strengthens and tones the muscles in this region. Number 4. Cable crossover. The cable crossover is an isolating exercise that focuses on definition and works the inner chest. This is the movement that helps create that line in the middle of the chest, giving it a firmer and more sculpted appearance. For those struggling with chest fat, the crossover is excellent because it allows precise control over the load and movement, activating muscle fibers that are often not worked in exercises like the bench press. To perform, stand in the middle of the cable machine with the pulleys adjusted to the high position. Grab the handles and step forward to stabilize your body. Pull the cables down toward the center of your body, crossing your arms slightly in front. Feel the chest contraction at the end of the movement before slowly returning. The key is control. Do not use weights that are too heavy, as this can make you lose technique and transfer the effort to your shoulders. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions to focus on definition. Number 3. Dumbbell Pullover. The pullover is an often forgotten exercise, but it's extremely effective for working the upper chest and expanding the rib cage. It's ideal for older men because it also strengthens the core and increases shoulder flexibility. To perform this exercise, you'll need a flat bench and a dumbbell. Lie on the bench with the dumbbell in your hands, holding it with both palms as if hugging the top of the weight. Start with your arms extended above your chest, then slowly lower the dumbbell backward toward the floor until you feel a stretch in your chest. Return to the starting position, focusing on contracting your chest during the movement. This exercise not only adds volume to the chest, but also helps improve mobility, which is an important factor for men who want to stay active and free from joint pain. Number 2, dips. Dips are one of the best exercises for the lower chest, especially when performed with the torso leaning forward. This forward tilt places more emphasis on the chest, while the triceps are also activated as support. To perform, grab the parallel bars with your hands and lift your body. Lean slightly forward and lower yourself slowly until you feel a stretch in your chest. Push back up, contracting your chest at the top. The movement requires strength and control, so it can be challenging at first. If you can't do dips with your body weight, use an assisted machine or resistance bands to make it easier. This exercise not only works the chest, but also improves overall upper body strength, helping to combat sagging that many men begin to notice with age. Number 1, medicine ball, squeeze press. The medicine ball squeeze press is a less conventional exercise, but very effective for activating the inner chest and improving overall core stability. For those dealing with gynecomastia, it helps tone the central chest area, creating a firmer and more sculpted appearance. Sit on a bench or stand with a medium-sized medicine ball. Hold the ball with your palms facing each other and press it firmly, feeling your chest contract. While maintaining this pressure, push the ball forward and then bring it back to your chest. The key here is the intensity of the contraction. The harder you press the ball, the more your chest will be activated. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions to really feel the muscle burn. These exercises complement the classic ones, but bring new stimuli to the chest. Including them in your workout ensures that you target all areas of the chest, combating sagging and creating a fuller and more proportional appearance. With consistency and proper technique, results are guaranteed. Leave your comment on the video. Which of these exercises do you already do? And which one will you start doing today?